Want to become your best self? You don't need a crazy routine or expensive stuff. Just a few simple daily habits that actually work. Start by waking up early. Even 30 minutes before your usual time can change your whole day. That quiet morning time. That's where focus begins. Next, take 5 minutes to just sit and breathe. No phone, no noise. Just you and your thoughts. It's crazy how clear your mind feels after that. Grab a notebook and write 3 things. What you'll do today, what you're grateful for, and one small habit you'll improve. It sets the tone for your whole day. Then, move your body. Go for a short walk, stretch. Do a quick workout, whatever you like. When your body moves, your mind follows. And finally, learn something new. 10 minutes of reading, a podcast, or an inspiring video. Feed your brain something positive every day. Do these 5 simple things every single day, and you'll see yourself growing little by little. Remember, small steps create big change. Be consistent, stay kind to yourself, and keep going.